So I haven't been in here in a while. I'm just gonna go check it out, see if the food court is open yet. OMG, I cannot believe it, but the food court is open. Wow, looks really nice. This is the new food court that we have been waiting months and months to reopen, and it just looks totally different. I must say, I am quite impressed. Wow. Tons of seating. 2 people. Counters, washrooms are down there. I would be hiding behind the plants. So I went all the way around. So now I'm gonna get something to eat. So this is called the mini bowl. Still have this little area by the escalator here, but it's also totally different. Looks so nice. Well, it certainly was worth waiting for. Oh my gosh, I wondered what they were doing because it was taking so long. Washrooms that way. This is on the other side of the escalator. It really looks fabulous. Fabulous! I'm so glad I stopped by here, guys. This is great.